Hello everyone, another video for today's video, and for today's video, alam ko worth it tong i-click nyo yung link kasi at now I am at the 3,710 and plano ko is mag cash out for 3,700 and let's check out here. So this is just the Paraplay, nasa description yung link, try nyo lang. So check natin yung deposit record. So, ang dineposit ko lang dito is 178 pesos. Yes po, wala pong scam yan. And then, withdrawal record, tignan natin. Wala pa kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-withdraw. Ngayon lang gabi na talaga ako naglaro. Ay, kagabi lang pala. So, try kong withdraw pero ayaw pa niya akong pa-cash outin. Kailangan pa akong maglaro ng 103 pesos. So, naglaro pa ako dyan. Pinalago ko muna. But unfortunately, hindi ko siya na-record pala. So, ayun. Kasi kahit, yan, nasa 4,100 na ako. And then, yan, deposit, withdraw is 4,100. And then, yes, hindi po yan scam. Nilaro ko po talaga yan siya. Hindi ko lang na-record. Kasi kahit cash in or may deposit ka pa, pag hindi mo talaga na-reach yung kailangan mong laruin, hindi ka makaka-withdraw. So, kailangan mong laruin. And ayan, tingnan natin yung withdrawal record. Deposit record. Next is withdrawal record. 4,100, transferring na siya. And, ano pang gusto nyo? I-lock nyo yung link. Lang. So, try nyo ng link. Responsable maglaro. Huwag nyo iubos lahat yung energy. Bye! Hi! Paraplay is legit. Promise.